Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me. Well, today I get to share with you the Pink and Main's Crafty Courtyard kit for September 2019. I did Pink and Main's kits before, but I want to share with you first the unboxing, and then following this video, keep a lookout. I'll be doing 5 cards with this wonderful little kit. Always fully packed, and this month's kit is called Sweater Weather. I was super excited when Michelle asked me if I'd like to share some projects with you. So let's take a look at what's in this kit. This is your little cover sheet. It shows you your color palette and everything that's in the kit. And then you always get this nice little storage bag. Your cardstock's on the bottom. Before I show you the cardstock, I did want to share with you the vinyl bag. It fits your 8.5 by 11 sheets beautifully, and it's perfect for storage, guys. And it's heavy duty quality made, and it has Pink and Main's logo on the very bottom. But here's your cardstock. 2 sheets of the ice rink cardstock, and then you also get some basil cardstock that's textured, and this one has a little bit of a shine to it. It's called Atlantis. You get some maroon. Then you also get the basil orange. It has a little bit of texture to it too. This one here is called Gold Coins. Then you get Granny Smith, and then you also get Dark Craft. All of those are from basil. Okay, that's your color palette, and isn't it nice and fall and autumny? Love that. We're going to take a look first at the 6x6 paper pad because it coordinates beautifully with your cardstock sheets there. This month's kit, each of the pages, well, almost all of them, have the sweater patterns on it, only in different patterns, which is fantastic. It's really neat looking. Looks just like a sweater, but you get the multicolors, 2 tones on the front and back. They're double-sided, but you can see the beautiful fall colors. So we're gonna make some sweater cards today. I think it's gonna be so fun. And these would be great for perfect autumn birthdays too. A lot of our family's birthdays are in the fall, so I was super excited about this. Okay, this is your stamp set, and the lovely thing about this stamp set is it has some layering elements that you can create your own sweater with. 2 strips. So you can go horizontal or vertically or even diagonally on your A2 size card bases, but you can layer them with 2 different colors, which makes it fantastic, and it matches your pattern paper beautifully. You have a lot of fun fall sentiments, greetings, ever so thankful for you, cozy, just customizable too, which is nice. Then to go with your stamp set, it sounds strange to go with it, but you get a 6x6 stencil. I say go with it because there's 4 leaves in your stamp set, and the stencil lines up with those 4 leaves beautifully. So find the leaf in the stamp set, and you can find the leaf on your stencil. So that can create some really fun backgrounds by itself. So nice, you get your stamp set and a stencil this month. Just lining it up so you can kind of see. Super neat. Okay, next up you get some sticker sheets. Now these are craft cardstock sticker sheets, so they're heavy on the heavier side. You get 5 stickers, 2 sheets of each. You get your envelopes, of course, 4 A2 size envelopes. We'll just tuck those under there. But here's your stickers, and they're like little decorative banners too. Some of your sentimental fit in there. Some of them are too small, but you can also stamp leaves or your acorns in there, which makes it really nice. And they coordinate with the dark craft cardstock from basil beautifully. So you get your stickers, and then you also get some rickrack, guys. You get 3 yards of this rickrack. I believe it's 3 yards. Let's see. Yes, and it's larger rickrack, so it's a great accent for your cards. And nice fall colors. So I'm going to put that back in the bag. And then you also get a full size roll, my goodness, of some ribbon. This ribbon is so nice. It's a ivory colored cross grain ribbon that has some decorative leaves on the outside of it in greens and browns and tans. And there's 5 yards in this roll, guys. Tons of ribbon in here, and it coordinates with your papers beautifully. You also get some metal charms. These are so pretty, and they do have the little loop at the end where you can thread a string or twine through. You get 2 acorns, 2 little trees, I'm going to put him in my hand so you can see him a little bit better, because the lighting's just not showing how pretty they are. But you get one large leaf, 2 trees, and then 2 little acorn sets. And they are so pretty. And they're not that heavy, so if you were to add them to your cards, I think, I don't think it would be too much for that. You get some baker's twine and some orange twine. It's kind of like a burnt orange twine, and it would be great to thread your metal charms through. And then you also get some tags here. You get 4 green, you get 4 orange, and then 4 smaller sized manila, no, maybe not really craft, but ivory, smaller ivory tags. Okay, you also get a bag of sequins that are in a beautiful color. Some have holes, some are confetti, but they coordinate with the papers just beautifully. And then of course you get your little collectible flare badge that has that sweater print on there. So this is the Pinky Mains kit for September 2019. Lots of fun elements. I am super excited to get to play with this kit this month, and so keep a lookout for my 5 cards. Again, it'll be following this video. Sometimes it takes a little time to upload, so just keep a lookout for it, guys. Have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you again soon.